In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private to those who are not your connections. It's a straightforward process and should take just about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, head over to the LinkedIn website. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the familiar LinkedIn homepage where your newsfeed lives. Here you can see updates from your network and any new job postings that might be relevant to you. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to your own profile. Locate the profile option, typically found at the top of the page. Click on it, and it will take you to your personal profile where you can see your professional experience, education, and other details you've chosen to share. Now that you're viewing your profile, look for a button labeled Settings and Privacy. Clicking this will give you access to a range of settings you can adjust to suit your preferences, from account management to how others can see and interact with your profile. Within the Settings and Privacy section, you'll need to navigate to Visibility. This section is crucial as it dictates who can see your profile and what elements of it are visible to others. Once in the Visibility settings, look for the option titled Visibility of your profile and network. Click on it, and you'll be presented with further choices about how your profile is viewed. Continue to the option that says Edit your public profile. This is where the magic happens. Here, you have the power to control the extent of details visible to those who are not connected with you on LinkedIn. Now, you'll want to click on Edit Visibility. This brings up various toggles allowing you to customize what sections of your profile are visible, and more importantly, who can see them. Finally, to make your profile private to non-connections, turn the visibility settings off. This action will limit what non-connections can view, ensuring only your connections can see the full details of your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've enhanced your privacy on LinkedIn. This will help you maintain a professional presence while ensuring your detailed information is only shared with those you trust. Remember, privacy settings are a key part of managing your online professional identity. So be sure to revisit these settings periodically to ensure they still meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.